Managing diabetes requires small yet impactful adjustments in daily dietary choices. The right swaps can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, enhance overall health, and prevent complications. When choosing fruits, it's not about elimination, but making wiser decisions. For instance, replacing bananas with apples can lower the glycemic impact due to the higher fiber content of apples. Grapes, which are dense in natural sugars, can be swapped for oranges, which offer fiber and vitamin C without spiking blood sugar levels as dramatically. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are exceptional choices. They are low on the glycemic index and rich in antioxidants, which support cardiovascular health and glucose regulation. The focus is on moderation and pairing fruits with proteins or healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar responses further. Cooking oils play a pivotal role in a diabetic-friendly diet. Lard and coconut oil, while popular in some circles, are high in saturated fats, which can increase bad cholesterol levels and pose risks for cardiovascular health. Opting for unsaturated fats, like those in olive oil or sunflower oil, is a more heart-friendly choice. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, contains antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that improve cholesterol profiles. A daily dose of about 7 milliliters, roughly a small spoonful, is sufficient to reap cardiovascular benefits without adding excessive calories. Using nonstick cookware or cooking methods like baking or steaming can also help reduce oil usage altogether. Gradually reducing dependency on added fats is a practical approach for diabetics aiming to manage weight and blood sugar levels effectively. Flours are another area where smart swaps can make a difference. Traditional wheat flour has a high glycemic impact, which can challenge blood sugar control. Switching to seed-based flours like flaxseed, pumpkin seed, or sunflower seed flours introduces more fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and reduces the glycemic index of meals. Peanut and almond flours can be suitable for diabetics without weight concerns, as they are nutrient-dense and have minimal glycemic impact. However, their higher calorie content warrants cautious use, especially for those managing both diabetes and weight. Incorporating seed flours into recipes for bread, pancakes, or coatings can transform meals into more diabetic-friendly options without sacrificing flavor or texture. Salads and their dressings often hide unexpected pitfalls. While salads are generally seen as healthy, adding high-calorie dressings like Caesar or Parmesan-based options can negate their benefits. These dressings are often rich in fats and sugars, which can increase calorie intake significantly. Swapping such dressings for options like apple cider vinegar or lemon juice enhances flavor without unnecessary calories. Balsamic vinegar is another excellent alternative, adding a tangy sweetness that complements vegetables. Using spices like black pepper or paprika can further elevate flavors, reducing the reliance on heavy dressings. A well-seasoned salad not only provides essential vitamins and minerals, but also supports better glycemic control and weight management. Beverages often contribute hidden sugars and calories, complicating blood sugar management. Juices, even those made from whole fruits, lack fiber and concentrate sugars, leading to rapid glucose spikes. Orange juice, for instance, should not replace whole oranges in a diabetic diet. Similarly, grape juice contains even more sugar and should be avoided. Sugary drinks like sodas and flavored milks are best eliminated entirely, as they provide empty calories with no nutritional benefit. Instead, water flavored with lemon or herbs, unsweetened green tea, and black coffee without sugar are excellent choices. Sparkling water with a splash of lemon can offer a refreshing alternative without affecting blood sugar. For those who prefer some sweetness, natural sweeteners like stevia can be used sparingly. By implementing these thoughtful swaps in fruits, oils, flours, dressings, and beverages, diabetics can enjoy a diverse and satisfying diet while maintaining better control over their blood sugar levels. These small changes, when applied consistently, contribute significantly to improved health and overall well-being.